Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you that how you can practice English speaking at your home. Okay, in this video, I am going to share few tips. If you will follow this, then this will be very beneficial for you. So I hope that you will watch the video and give me suggestion that how this video will help you. So without wasting time, let's start the today's topic. Our today's topic is how to practice English speaking at home. Okay, English speaking is very important thing in our life. Okay, in these days English has become a very important language, so we have to speak this language. If you want to speak this language, so you should have very important thing, that is how you can do this. You should have things, that you should have steps, that which steps you should follow. So in this video I am going to share 5 or 6 steps to practice English at home. Okay, if you will follow this, then it will very beneficial for you. So watch the video till the end. After this video you will be very confident at this language. Okay, so let's start. First thing that you can do is believe on yourself that yes, this is only a language and I can understand, I can speak, I can write, I can listen very easily. Okay, you should not worry about this language. Okay, you can improve by practicing more and more. The more you will practice, the more you will learn in this language. Okay, because this language is very vast. You can't give this a specific time period, a certain time period, and after that you will think that I will be able to speak this language. So this is not work like that. You have to give it time. This is a infinite path. You have to go through this path, and where you will be, that will be your level of speaking language. Okay, I am also not a very fluent speaker, but yes, I can understand what other people are saying in English language. I can speak a little bit, and I can also write a lot of things in English language. Okay, but I am satisfied whatever I have learned, and I am also learning this language. I did not stop to learn. This is a continuous process, I know that thing. So you have to also know that this is a infinite path. You have to go through this. Okay, this is not a certain period time. You can't give it 3 months, 6 months, and after that you will be fluent. No, this does not work like that. Okay, so let's move the steps. So what steps you can follow here? First step our will be, see my friends, I am making this video. I don't want subscribers, I don't want like, I don't want views. If you will watch, if you feel that yes, this video is beneficial for me, that you will give it like, you will subscribe my channel. Otherwise, why will you do this? No. So I am making this video. Do you know why? Because I want to improve myself. Okay, this is not that this will not only work for you, this is also beneficial for me. So talk to yourself in English language. Okay, so that's the reason you will be improved in English language. Like I am speaking to myself. Okay, so who I am Ronak Kumar. I am very passionate to learn English language. Okay, this language is not very difficult. I will be able to speak this language one day, and I am trying very hard for this. Okay, like this you can talk to yourself. Okay, it is a great way to get comfortable at speaking English. Describe in English what you see around, whatever around yourself. Describe those things in English language. Okay, so this was our first step of speaking English language. Our second steps can be read aloud. Do you know what does mean by aloud? Aloud means speak so that you can hear those words. Speak like that. Help with pronunciation. It will help you to become more fluency. Start with any interesting short story and gradually increase the difficulties. Okay, you have to start very interesting things, like if you like cricket. Okay, for examples, so you have to describe that, oh, that is my favorite person because when he is batting, I like the most to bat that person because he is very classic person. That can be bowler, that can be batter, that can be anything which you are very passionate about. Describe those things in English language. Okay, this was the read aloud. Aloud, that means speak so that you can hear those words. This means read aloud. Our third step will be listen and repeat. Listen and repeat. Find English audio or video content like podcast, movies, TV shows, sports, etc. and try to mimic. Mimic means try to speak those words which have been told in that videos or audios. Okay, the speaker's pronunciation. Try to mimic the speaker's pronunciation. Whatever they have said in their video, you have to say it to yourself by your mouth. Okay, this will help you to practice English language in a great way. Okay, so our fourth step is here, record yourself. Like I am recording myself, you can also record yourself. Record yourself speaking and then listen back to those record videos to identify areas for improvement and identify that where you can improve, where you are doing wrong. That will be a mirror, like a mirror. You can see yourself what you are doing wrong in that video and you can improve that later. Okay, for improvement, this can help you become more aware of your grammar, fluency and pronunciation. This will help you to identify your pronunciation, your vocabulary, that what vocabulary you use, where it needs or not, and also it will help in your pronunciation. Okay, so record yourself. Whatever you are speaking, just speak and record and see later to that video. You will see, oh, at that point I am doing a mistake, I have to correct this. So in the next video you will correct that thing. Okay, I am making this video, I will do a lot of wrong things, I will speak very badly, but it doesn't matter because I will be improved at the time of my peak level. Okay, so you have to record yourself to check your level. Next, fifth step can be find a friend. If you have a friend who is also passionate in English language, then that will be very beneficial for you. Find a friend, connect with a native English speaker if it is possible, online or offline, where whenever it is possible you can connect with those, okay, in person, and practice speaking with them and practice with them, okay, because their English speaking will be very improved because their native language is this. So if you will practice with them, you will see, oh, this person speaks like this, I have to also speak like this, okay. So this will be a very good thing. Find a friend if it is possible. Next step will be watch English movies. English movies you can watch to improve your English speaking level, or TV shows. Immerse yourself in English by watching movies and TV shows. Start with those contents which have subtitles and later watch movies without subtitles. Okay, you can watch English movies which have subtitles at the beginner level, but when you will become able to understand with subtitle, then you have to go without subtitle, okay. That can be very important thing. Watch English content in English language. And our last step for today is listen English music. This is a very beneficial part of English speaking. I done this a lot. Pay attention to the lyrics. Pay attention to the lyrics. Like I am saying, this cannot break my heart. Okay, so listen it very deeply and carefully. Watch the lyrics and try to sing alone. And if you have heard one sentence, then pause that video and try to speak with yourself that point, okay. So if you want, then watch it again. This will be very important for you. So if you like this video, then I will also make another video on another topic. Till then, take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.